Hi people, today we're just doing a little bit of a kind of a test out here with the Sidewinder, just playing with it with some low volume water. We're going to use it as a cleanup sluice today, just by running a regular garden hose, kind of low volume down here. I just want to try to show you how neat this little sweeping action the water is down through here with very low volume. I'm getting ready to dump some actual fine gold down in here that's got a lot of black sand and everything from this little bottle here. I'm just going to pour some down in here so we can kind of watch it and catch it on this mat and get rid of some of the magnetite and hematite and just get to the gold flakes. So what we've just got a small bottle here with a little bit of gold and some black sands in the bottom, so we're just going to pour it down in here and kind of watch how it catches in this little black mat here. Use this as a little cleanup sluice today. We just got it sitting here kind of propped on a sawhorse, just running right into a regular tank. Yesterday we were playing with the high banker over here, running some material and testing it, but today we're just going to kind of have a little bit of fun here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this little bottle here and start pouring some of this in. Okay, there we go. Let's just put a little bit down here in the flow and see what happens. Get some of that out of here. And what we've got here is there's about 10 grains of gold here. I don't know if you can kind of see it. Yeah, boy, it took away that black sand pretty quick there into the little pattern. So we can sort of get these flakes cleaned up a little bit. Then it just makes it a whole lot easier to get them with the snuffer bottle to get them off of this mat. I don't know if you can kind of see the black sands sort of slowly drifting off of the mat, leaving the flakes. But you can see the tail pattern of this thing, how it swishes from side to side. This is a really neat thing about the Sidewinder, folks, is that it has a nice sweeping action from side to side. You can see it sort of how it flows. This is a really nifty thing about this. But see, our gold being heavy enough with this limited amount of flow from just a regular garden hose, you can see how where the gold is still right up here in this first bend. It's not going too far. Now when we've got a lot of river water flowing through this thing, we can actually run the water 3-4 inches deep with a massive amount of volume like you might have seen in some of the earlier videos. And most of our gold is always caught right up between here and here. It's very, very little ever makes it down into this bottom part. I mean, that's just the ultra fine micron gold down in through here that is really tough to get out of the black sands and everything. But we usually put that in our tumbler, kind of crush up the sands a little bit more to get the sulfides off and so forth. But today you can see how effective and how quick it was to kind of clean this. There's still some black trapped in there, but you can kind of see how nice this is for us to gulp up with the little snuffer bottle. So what I'm going to do is just get that snuffer bottle ready here and just start sucking some of that up. I've got a little bit left in this bottle here. I'm just going to kind of pour it on out here. There we go. Get rid of a lot of that black sand out of there. So now we're getting down to some cleaner and cleaner gold. I don't know if it's going to show up that great with this little camera, but you know, you can kind of get the idea here what's going on. Sort of limited light out here right now. It's getting to be close to evening. And just wanted to play with this a little bit just to show you some low volume through here, how nice it is just to have a ribbed mat as a cleanup. So this is just another kind of nifty thing you can do with this Sidewinder, just kind of setting it on a sawhorse and just kind of letting it be your little cleanup table. Now naturally, if you put some vibration to this thing, you can shake this thing off and just use it almost like a doggone shaker table with the side to side, which would really oscillate this water even more than it's doing on its own. But yeah, I'm not seeing any flakes down in through here anywhere. They're all up in that first bend. So like I say, this is just to sort of show how effective this thing really is. And it's even great as a cleanup sluice. Well, thanks for watching, folks. I'm gonna just snuffer this on up now and get it back in the bottle. It's good talking to you. Stay tuned for some more videos later.